Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the basics, so begin now. Choose one clear theme for today and record immediately. Aim for 8 to 10 clips of 1 to 2 minutes each. This creates natural beats. Use a lav mic or shotgun and keep shots steady on a tripod or gimbal. Once done, mark bad takes on your phone or jot timestamps. This saves editing time. Make sure to get a short intro and one close-up detail shot for variety, then transfer files to your editing folder. Open your editor and build a short narrative arc. Quick intro, meaningful middle, and a clear payoff or hook for tomorrow. Trim to essential beats. Use J-cuts and L-cuts so dialogue flows over cuts. Once you have the rough cut, fix audio, normalize levels, apply light noise reduction, and add background room tone under edits. Make sure to insert 10 to 20 second B-roll to cover jump cuts, and color correct basic skin tones so your feed looks consistent across clips. Export with H. 264 at 1080p and 8 to 12 Mbps to balance quality and upload speed, then craft a punchy thumbnail and short hook you'd click on. Publish at a consistent time daily and add 3 tags plus 1 playlist placement to build viewer habits. Once published, share quickly to socials. If uploads fail or audio glitches appear, re-export at a lower bitrate or reconnect via wired network. If audio still sounds off, replace track with the original phone mic and boost clarity with EQ.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.